Hi guys, welcome to another episode of AJAWI TV where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. I'm AJAWI and for today, I'm actually doing an unboxing, right? That's why I'm smiling so much because I just got my new camera, right? If you notice within my videos, there are a lot of glitches at times, and I think that's because I'm using a cell phone to actually do my recording. So over the past couple of months, I've been saving to actually buy a camera, and it actually reached today. So I am going to be doing the unboxing for my brand new EOS SL3. So that's the Cannon SL3. So that's what you'll be seeing in this particular video. An affiliate link will be in the description below. So if it is that you like what you see and you would want to purchase it, you can click my affiliate link, and it will not cost you anything, but it will help me on my channel. All right. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so this is the Cannon EOS SL3, right? So I'm gonna be doing the unboxing now. When I actually purchased, I requested a memory card. The person actually sent this for me for free. So if you look in the description while you're buying, they will actually tell you if they would send you one free. And this is actually a 32 gig, right? SanDisk. So we have a cloth, so that's a cleaning pad. What's this? I guess this is an app. So you can link the camera to the phone. Don't know what that really is for, other than that. This is a manual. Alright, let's put that to the side. USA only. So it's a registration. Alright, so what comes in the box? So this is the lens. It has a nice weight to it. Alright. Nice. I don't really know much about the type of lens or focus or anything like that. I'm a novice, so don't expect to learn anything fancy. This is the charger, right? This is actually the battery. Yeah, so that's the battery. I can charge it there. I get a hand strap. Nice. That goes on your camera, so you can hold it properly. So let's put that there. What else is in this box? And the actual camera body. Alright, so let's put that down there for now and get rid of these. Alright, so I was actually researching which camera I wanted, and trust me, I was like all over the place. I was looking at which one was it? There was a newer version to this one. But it wasn't DSLR. I don't quite remember the name of it. But anyways, that's not important now. But it was very expensive. So I wanted a camera that, you know, was within my budget, and you know, I can easily learn from it. So that's the lens kit or cover. You can sit down in there. Alright. So let me put that back on for now. So it flips out. Nice screen. Can turn it that way and I can turn it that way. So let's do that. And it goes back around, right? So I can take my camera, take my nice pictures or nice videos. It's pretty nice, isn't it? Nice. So let's see how this thing goes. That's what the lens look like. That's the back of it. So let's put that back on. So covers. Oh, it's easy. It easily snaps on, right? And then let's take that off. That's what it looks like. Damn, this looks really good. Now, so I'm gonna try and put it on it, but let me put the battery inside it first. That's what the battery looks like. Let's see if, so go that way. That's the memory card slot, and that's the battery slot. Seeing the connectors, and if I look down there, I don't know if you can see that in that corner, the connectors are there. So I just, you know, put that in there, snaps in, secured in there properly. Let's take this out of this. This is a 32 gig. I have another 32 gig, so I'll use that as well. Nice. How am I supposed to get this out? What will learn it? Seriously? What I think if I cut the memory card. Alrighty, it's out. Congratulations, you win a Grammy. Alright, so it gives instructions on how the memory card should go in. Alright. And then it has a spring action to it. Click. Alright. Boom. So then I can take this off. Nice. Then I'll remove the cap from this one. Now I learned this from watching somebody else's video. They said that this can fit in each other. Neat. Alright, so that there. Let's see what happens here. White. See that white? And there's a white here. So I'm gonna line it up. And then I'm gonna twist. And I hear a click. It actually feels heavy. Nice. It has a nice weight to it. Right. Let's see if it actually has any power in it. Take this off. Let's turn off now. And click on. It looks like there's no power in it, so I have to charge it first. So I have to charge it first, guys. Alright. So I'll charge it and then do a follow-up video so that you guys can see how it actually looks. But yeah, I like the weight. I like how it feels in my hand. And for my first camera, you know, it's nice. Very nice. So yeah, guys. Alright guys, so this is me on the brand new camera, right? The Cannon EOS SL3, right? And I must say I'm loving it. The quality is way better. I can't really ask for much more. It also tracks my face. I mean, I can't believe it actually works that well. So the camera is focused on me. I just, you know, set it up, click play, click record, and I'm good to go. I don't spend much time doing, you know, other things that, you know, normal photographers would or videographers would be doing. I just set it up auto and I'm good to go. I guess over time I'll learn, because this camera is good for me because I'm an architecture student, right? And over time I think I'll need to learn a little bit more about photography, because, you know, I normally take pictures of my model once I build them with my phone. So this will be a good device to actually take pictures of my model once I make them. Alright, as I said before, this channel is really about architecture and construction, and I've dedicated Wednesdays to actually posting about that, right? On other days I will post about pretty much anything in relation to my life. So if it is that you mainly want information about construction, then Wednesday is the day for you. You can always tune in on Wednesday and get information. If it is that you want, you know, general things about me, what I'm doing as it relates to school, because I'm an architecture student. I'm an architectural technologist now, which means that I work with architects, engineers, contractors, developers to prepare drawings, construction drawings for them, right? I was trained as an architectural technologist. So I have a diploma in that, and I am actually working on my degree as it relates to street architecture, right? I'm in my final year at the University of Technology, Caribbean School of Architecture. So, you know, this whole setup and me doing YouTube and stuff like that, it does help me along my journey of, you know, becoming an architect. So, you know, that's something that I look forward to. Yeah, I mean, I can't say anything else. It's just great. I'm really excited. I'm really happy because I get to know, make videos or make better quality videos so that you can get the necessary information that you want. So I look forward to actually doing some new interviews and stuff like that, because I know that I'll get really good quality videos now. Because man, the glitches in the previous videos, they were killing me. I mean, like, sometimes I'm editing videos and like when I play them back, I'm like, wow, how am I going to get out this glitch, or, you know? And I spend a lot of time on them sometimes trying to get out the glitches, but I just couldn't. So I decided to just buy myself a camera. It's something that I've always wanted to do. But I'm blabbering anyways, but you know, this, hey, it's a part of life, ain't it? So yeah, so look out for new videos, look out for better videos, and look out for things about my life not necessarily about straight construction. I mean, that's what the field that I'm in, so obviously the channel will, you know, be geared around that. But I want to give you guys a little sneak peek into my life, my journey as an architectural technologist working towards becoming an architect. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and click all. Once you're clicking the notification bell, click all so that you see all of my videos once they come up. That's how YouTube has worked out their algorithm now. So if you click just the bell, then you'll get notified for a period of time, but you won't, after a while you won't get notified, right? But if you click the notification bell and click all, then you will get a notification for all of my videos, right? So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for liking, thanks for sharing this video, and I'll see you next time.